Have you seen people calling Jumpspeak the future of language learning while others say it's not worth the subscription? The truth is somewhere in the middle, and that's exactly why so many learners are confused. Jumpspeak stands out because it focuses heavily on AI-powered speaking practice, allowing users to simulate conversations instead of simply memorizing vocabulary or completing grammar exercises. Many users appreciate that this approach helps build confidence when speaking a new language, and some say the realistic conversations make practice feel more engaging than traditional language apps. However, the biggest complaint isn't actually the AI itself, it's the overall subscription experience. Across user reviews, App Store feedback, Reddit discussions, and independent opinions, a common concern is that many useful features are locked behind a premium plan, leaving free users with a limited experience. Some subscribers also mention that the pricing feels expensive compared to competitors, especially if they don't use the app consistently. Others report occasional AI responses that sound repetitive or don't always understand pronunciation perfectly, although many agree the technology is improving over time. Another point worth considering is that Jumpspeak is designed primarily for speaking practice. So if you're looking for deep grammar lessons, structured courses, or extensive reading exercises, you may find it less comprehensive than apps like Duolingo or Babbel. On the other hand, learners who struggle with speaking confidence often enjoy its conversation-focused approach. Overall, Jumpspeak isn't a miracle app, nor is it a scam. It offers a modern and interesting way to practice real conversations, but its value depends largely on whether you'll use those premium features regularly. If your goal is to improve speaking through AI conversations, it could be a useful tool. But if you're looking for a complete language learning system at a lower cost, you may want to compare your options carefully before subscribing. Taking a closer look at your learning style, budget, and expectations will help determine whether Jumpspeak is truly the right investment for your language learning journey.